Today we are going to discuss about alternating current. So we know that when the coil is placed in magnetic field and it is rotate, means the magnetic flux linked with the coil is changes, there is induced the alternating electromotive force. So the alternating current is passing through the circuit. So here we consider an alternating voltage means an alternating voltage is the voltage which is changed the polarity, which is change the polarity with a regular interval of time. With a regular interval of time, and the direction of flow of current also changes accordingly. Okay, so the alternating current means the polarity of the alternating voltage changes, there is the flow of current accordingly, that is alternating current. So to understand this alternating current, we consider one source of the alternating current. Okay, so it is a positive terminal, it is a negative terminal for the source of the alternating current. Here this source of the alternating current is connected with one resistor. Is connected with one resistor means here the positive terminal is upper part, the negative terminal is lower part, means here the directions of the current is also flow through the resistor in clockwise direction. Now if the polarity changes, here the source of the alternating current, now the polarity changes. Here the negative terminal is connected upper part of the circuit, here the positive terminal is connected to the lower part, means here the directions of the current, it is flow the direction in anti-clockwise direction. So from this, if the polarity is changes, if the polarity of the source of electromotive force is changes, means the flow of directions of the current is also changes. Okay, so this type of current is called alternating current. Here the alternating current, it is given in waveform. If the waveform of alternating current is a sine wave, then it is known as sinusoidal alternating current. Okay, if the waveform of the alternating current is a sine wave, then it is known as a sinusoidal alternating current. Okay, same as if the waveform of the alternating voltage is a sine wave, means then it is known as a sinusoidal alternating voltage. So if the alternating voltage is applied to the circuit, there is induced the alternating current, there is a flow of the alternating current. That alternating current, it is also given by the alternating voltage. Here we consider the alternating voltage is noted by letter V, small letter V. V is equal to Vm sin omega t. Okay, so it is the relation of the alternating voltage. The alternating voltage V is equal to Vm sin omega t. Here the V, small letter v, is the instantaneous value of alternating current. Vm means that is maximum value of alternating current. Maximum value of alternating current. Here the omega is a angular frequency. Angular frequency. So if the alternating voltage V is equal to Vm sin omega t is passing through the external circuit, there is a flow of current, that is a alternating current. The resulting alternating current is also give the waveform, that is a sinusoidal waveform. So here this relation of the alternating current is given by I is equal to Im sin omega t. Here what is in by I? Small letter I is given, that is a instantaneous value of alternating current. Here Im means that is maximum value of alternating current. Omega is the angular frequency. Here in a diagram it is given by this a diagram for alternating voltage. Here 0, this value is pi by 2, this value is pi, this is 3 pi by 2, this is 2 pi. Okay, right? It is a maximum values for the voltage, that is notable letter Vm. It is a maximum value in lower part, that is notable letter minus Vm. Here it has a speed, that is the distance omega into t. It is moves with the angular frequency omega into time t. Okay, it has a direction is like this. It is for the voltage. The alternating current, it is also given in sinusoidal waveform. For the alternating voltage, there is a passing the alternating current. That current, this is value 0, this is for pi by 2, this is for pi, this is for the 3 pi by 2, this is for 2 pi. It has the direction is omega into t, right? The current values, that is I. Here the maximum current values is Im. In lower part it has a maximum current values, that is minus Im. Okay, so this is a diagram for the sinusoidal voltage. This is a diagram for the sinusoidal current.